right? We're rocking and rolling inside the salon, getting ready to turn. And so we're hitting the waves head on at the moment. And we have things sort of buckled down. We're on tree duty. Oh, that sun. Mark has been staring into that glare all day. It's pretty brutal. But we're going to be turning in to Atlantic City, which you can see through the corner window. It's like
You should be holding on there.
rocking and rolling. Anyway, we have to turn right into the city. So all of this rolling and rocking that we're doing, hitting the waves head on, we're going to be doing side to side, which I totally hate. But we gotta be in position to catch the tree and coffee makers and anything else that wants to take a spill, right? I'll let you know how we do.